door, going with my eyes on the road.
Hey, oh. Looking at some houses in the night, imagining a small hide, going to and wicking at my door.